All right, number 5. The area of the triangle is 24 feet. And by the way, we're on the top of page 428 right now. So I know I need to find area of a triangle. And I know the formula is area equals 1/2 base times height. And I know that A needs to be 24 because it says the area is 24. Use the numbers to label the height and base of the triangle. Okay, so what could we put in these two places? Which one of these numbers could we put in these two places to get an area of 24? Well, since I'm going to be multiplying by 1/2, I need to find what two numbers can I multiply together to get twice this. Okay, because if we want to get just the B and the H, we can divide both sides by 1/2 or multiply by the reciprocal 2/1. And if we divide by 1/2, we get 48 equals BH. So I know that these two numbers need to multiply together to get 48. So what two numbers could you put here and here that multiply together to get 48? And that will be your answer. And then you can always plug them in to check. Okay. All right, number 6, a rectangle, so it has 4 sides, and the formula is area equals length times width, or I can say base times height. Has an area of 50 centimeters, so 50 equals length times width. The dimensions of the rectangle, the dimensions are multiplied to form a new rectangle with an area of 200. So the new rectangle has an area of 200. By what number were the dimensions multiplied? Well, this is like our work 2 days ago where we had to square the multiplier. So let's see, this is 4 times as big, so the length and the width must be 2 times as big, because 2 times 2 is 4, and the area is 4 times bigger. So I know the length and the width must be 2 times bigger. So by what number were the dimensions multiplied? 2. They were multiplied by 2. And we can check that. Okay, for example, let's see. Yeah. If I plug in 5 times 10 to get 50, and then I multiply both of those by 2, 5 times 2 would be 10, and 10 times 2 would be 20. And 10 times 20 is in fact 100, so I double checked my answer and it works. Okay, so our final answer was 4 times bigger, but we know if we want our final thing to be 4 times bigger, we have to square what we multiplied the dimensions by. So we multiplied the dimensions by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, that's why the area is 4 times bigger. Okay, but the dimensions are 2 times bigger. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.